In-place archives in New Outlook. What is it? It is different from archive folders. Archive folders will take up space in your mailbox, whereas when you use the in-place archives, anything that has a retention policy assigned to it, it will move those files into that folder and reserve space in your inbox. So I have my storage screen open, and look here. In all folders, this is our mailbox. Notice that I have 50 gigs reserved for my inbox, and I've used 2.3. I do want to show you that the archives folder is listed here and is showing that it's taken up space. Let's go back to the top. When I click on the in-place archives, they have reserved another 50 gigs of space. Anytime a file or folder reaches its retention expiry date, those items will move to this location and not take up space. Let me show you what this looks like in our inbox. Okay, so here's my archive folder here. And again, if I click on this email and click on archive, that item will be moved to that archive folder. We have control over that. We can pick and choose what we want here. Let me show you in the in-place archives. Notice I have a bunch of folders here. Within those, I have subfolders because it knows that hierarchy that you have in your actual mailbox. And if I right click on these, the policy has been selected and these items will automatically get moved here. So let me show for people who has a business standard account how to enable these settings. You have to go to the admin center. Okay, so I have logged in as Adele because she doesn't have hers enabled, and I'm on my Microsoft 365 homepage. If you don't see admin in the left navigation, click on apps and go to your all apps and select admin. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this screen. And what you want to do is look for Exchange. If it's not listed in your left navigation, go ahead and show all and then select it. Once that happens, you're going to come to the Exchange Admin Center. You're going to click on Mailbox, the person's name. You want to choose Other, navigate to Mailbox Archive. Notice that it's disabled for now. We're going to click on it and we're going to enable it and hit Save. While I'm here, it's important to know that anything that is on litigation hold, again, if it's a work or school account, your organization will enable this. You don't have to worry about it. But for small business, again, if you turn this on, what will happen is even though items are removed, it will still be part of Microsoft Office 365. So keep that in mind. Once you enable in-place archives, allow 24 hours before you see it in your mailbox. That's all I have for you today. Now, go work your magic.